Don't just take them out. Drivers, get ready. Marshals, get ready. Look alive, drivers. Listen for the tone. And we're off. Seconds in. Mike Hill leading it, 22-3. Shane Trailer second, 22-7. 1-2 broken away slightly. Cale Shetler third, 23-0. Travis Jones in fourth, 22-8. Tanner Perdue fifth, 21-8. Road Boyd sixth, 23-7. Jim Atkins seventh, 22-6. Dylan Latour 8, 23-9. Casey Bice 9, 23-4. Cole Ogden 10, 22-3. Ryan Millington 11, 28-8. TJ Bell 12, 25-2. Front stretch, caution front stretch, caution front stretch. Down, 6:20 to go. Whole field separated by 13 seconds. It's close. Mike Hill and Shane Trailer out front. Looks like they're working together, doing well. Down the straightaway they go, keeping it clean. 22-0 and 22-2. Mike Hill and Shane. Third place. Oh, it's a battle for third. Battle for third. Jim Atkins is in third, 6.7 back. Cale Shetler in fourth, 3/10 back. Looks like Jim turning around the 180. He is into the tail kicker. Up the short chute. Stepping it up on the right. Now driving it down the hill and across the line. Jim Atkins in third, 21-2. Cale Shetler in fourth, 22-2. Travis Jones in fifth, 22-3. Road Boy 21-4. Latour 21-9. Cole Ogden 20.6. Casey 23-4. Millington 29-4. Bell 29-9. Perdue 29-3. 2:35 down. 5:25 to go. .305 down, 4:55 to go. Markel 22-3, Shane Trailer 22-7. Jim Atkins in third, 22-3. Jim 5 seconds back. Looks like Shane Trailer now in the lead. Markel right behind him. Caution in the rhythm section. Caution in the rhythm section. It's clear. Caution after the checkup. Tail kicker. Caution entering the front stretch. Running order, Trailer 1, Hill 2, Atkins 3, Road Boy 4, Ogden 5, Travis 6, Latour 7, Bias 8, Shetler 9, Bell 10, Perdue 11, Millington 12, 3:45 down, 4:15 to go. Fuel stops come shortly. Not. Ogden up to fourth.
Oh, that rabbit.
Shane Trailer across the line, 22-4. Mike Hill across the line, 24-1. Jim Atkins, 22-4. Jim now 1.7 seconds out of the bump-up spot. 3:45 to go. He's got Cole Ogden in fourth, right behind him, catching up. Through the tabletop they go. Over the tail kicker is Jim and Cole, with Mike Hill stepping up right in front of them. Down the straightaway, they're second over the line, third over the line, fourth over the line with 3:25 to go. Mike Hill is in the orange and blue. Into the rhythm section, he clears it. Oh, but he cases that triple. Cole Ogden able to overtake Jim and Cole. Jim gets him a little swirly. Five down, 3 to go. Mike Hill in second. Jim in third. Cole in fourth. I don't think Cole's going to be quite so patient next time around. 2:45 to go. Five and a half down, 2.5 to go. It's Hill, Atkins, and Ogden. Down the straightaway they go. There's Hill, Ogden into third. Atkins, 4/10 back in fourth. 2:15 to go. Hill trying to hold him off. They're catching up to Bell in front of him. Bell, the battle for the bump up. Right behind you, sir. Ogden trying to the inside. Hill able to maintain. They're stepping up, keeping it clean side by side. Ogden in, clean inside pass. Hill behind him. Oh, Ogden pushes wide. Hill back around in second. Atkins right there in fourth. 1:45 to go. 1:45 to go. Ogden traction rolls. Atkins back into fourth. 1:35 remaining. Hill over the rhythm section. Threw it cleanly. He triple singles. Atkins double doubles. Ogden triple singles. 1:20 remaining. Hill down the front straightaway. Across the line, 21-7. Atkins across the line, 22-0. Ogden, 21-5. Trailer through the rhythm. He's pushing wide. They're actually catching up to your leader, Sam Trailer, 3 seconds ahead. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Ogden back to third. Atkins right behind him. Hill across the line. Ogden down the straightaway, across the line. Ogden 20.7, 2.5 back from Mike Hill. Mike Hill into the rhythm section. He triples, gets it clean. Ogden triples, gets it clean. Mike Hill having to check up a little bit on the tail kicker. Ogden's wheeling it, 30 seconds left. They're going to get 2 more full laps. 2 more full laps. My computer tells me Ogden through traffic. It's Trailer, Hill, and Ogden through the rhythm section they go. Trailer up the short chute, 15 seconds left. Hill up there, Ogden up the short chute. Trailer traction rolls, Ogden traction rolls. They're going to get 1 more. 1 more to go. Hill through the rhythm. Trailer through the rhythm. Ogden into the rhythm. Racing to the line.